Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can install Moltbot, or previously known as ClawBot. So let's get right into it. Now first off, before starting with the actual installation process, you would need to decide on what device you would like to install Moltbot. Now I would strongly suggest against downloading it on your main PC, because anything that you can do on your PC, it would be able to do, which is extremely risky if you have any of your personal data stored on your PC. So the simplest and the most affordable way, which I will be using, is using a VPS, which is just essentially a fresh virtual PC. That way I'm not risking any of my personal data, and it can also run 24/7, which means we can access it whenever we want. And it's much cheaper than buying a Mac Mini for hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Now the VPS provider that I'm using is Hostinger, because it's the easiest one to set up and also one of the cheapest ones out there. Now if you would also like to use Hostinger, I will leave a link to it in the description below and a coupon code that will give you extra 20% off. So once you decide on your VPS provider, you would just need to go to their VPS hosting page, which for Hostinger looks like this, and just choose a VPS type that you would like to use. So for my ClawBot, I'm using the KVM2 plan because it has 8 GB of RAM, and that's all we need for it to run efficiently. So once you decide on a plan, just go ahead and click choose plan, and here they will automatically offer you 24 months, but you can just click on it to 1 month, for example. But if you plan on using Moltbot for a long period of time, you will save up more money on these two plans. But for this one, let's just select 1 month, and then here you can input a coupon code. If you use my code HOW220, that will give you extra 20% off. But before clicking on continue, we would need to set up the server location. So the one with the best latency should be automatically picked for you. So I would just leave it at Germany because the latency is the lowest. Next up, you just need to select your operating system. So for this, go to plain OS right here, and then I would suggest selecting Ubuntu because it has the most support and tutorials out there. Now once you selected your VPS, you will be on your VPS dashboard right here. So from here to install Moltbot, you would need to click on the terminal option, and from there, in just a few easy steps, your Moltbot will be installed. So let's go ahead and click on terminal. Now if you decided to install this on your own PC, or you have a spare Mac Mini, you would just need to load up your command prompt or PowerShell on that device. From there, the installation process is pretty much the same for each operating system. Now, once you have a terminal loaded up on whichever device you are, go back to the Molt page, right here, the Moltbot website, and here under the quick start menu, you will be able to find the install command. Now, here you can see the operating system. So because we installed Linux on our hosting VPS, you can just click on change. But if you're on Windows, you can just use this command. But for me, because I'm on Linux, I will click change here, and then just select macOS/Linux. So the same command works both for Mac and Linux. Once you selected your operating system, just click copy right here, and then go back to the terminal. In the terminal, just go ahead and press Ctrl+Shift+V to paste it as plain text, and that should paste the command right away, as you can see right here. So this is the installation command, and the last step, just to install Moltbot, you would need to press enter, and now the installation process has started. So it might take some time for it to fetch all the data and install Moltbot, but as you can see, I already have an existing installation which it has detected, so it might overwrite that or just install a fresh one. And here we are. Now after you ran that command, the ClawBot setup wizard will load, and from here you just need to select using your keyboard and pressing enter. So depending on your preferences, you can set the settings that you would like, but essentially that's how you install Moltbot on any device, just using that command and picking your operating system. If you're also interested in how the setup process looks, you can watch my full setup guide right here. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.